Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion for aromatics. Always start with cold water, approximately 12 cups, to slowly extract maximum flavor. Quality ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious and rich stock, so choose them carefully for the best results. Next, for a richer, deeper flavor, consider roasting your chicken bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until golden brown. Then, transfer the roasted bones, chopped vegetables, and cold water into a large stock pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, and let it cook slowly for at least 4 to 6 hours. This long, slow cook time is key to extracting all the wonderful flavors. During the simmering process, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. It's important to regularly skim these off with a ladle to ensure a clear stock. Once your stock has simmered for the desired time, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the solids. We only want the beautiful, clear, and flavorful liquid. Finally, proper cooling and storage are crucial for safety and longevity. Rapidly cool your stock by placing the pot in an ice bath or dividing it into smaller containers. Once completely cool, transfer it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it in 1 cup or 2 cup portions for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.